Hi students, today we can study chapter 3, introduction of exercise 3.3. Then transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? Then I am going to write one matrix 2, 1, 3, 4, 8, minus 1. One matrix. Transpose means we will represent A dash or A T. A dash or A T for representing transpose of this matrix. Then interchange columns and rows. This is first row, isn't it? Then when you write transpose, this first row make as first column. You can write 2, 1, 3. The first row I made as first column. Then second row make it as second column. 4, 8, minus 1. This is known as transpose of this matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. Then order of transpose matrix 1, 2, 3 rows. Then 2 columns. That means order of matrix will change. In here 2 by 3, in here 3 by 2. Isn't it? Then nothing is there. Make it a row as column. Then a row, this column. Second row, second column. Only this much we will get transpose of any matrix. And then some properties of transpose we can study. Properties. First one is A transpose, all transpose equal to A. A transpose, all transpose. 2 times if you are taking transpose means you will get same matrix. Look, in here I took 1 time. Again one more time you take it. A dash, all dash equal to. Consider this matrix. This row make as column 2, 4. This first row make it first column. Second row 1, 8. Second row make it second column. Then third row is 3 minus 1. Make it third column. How is now? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 8 minus 1, 4, 8 minus 1. This A dash, all dash and A is equal, isn't it? We are taking 2 times transpose means you will get same matrix. And then second property is K, A, all dash. K means any number, any constant. Okay. K, A, all dash. You can write K. K, A dash. Only this much. This constant not a matter. Okay. In the case of transpose. This is second property. Then third property is A plus B. A and B is 2 matrices. A plus B transpose equal to, we can write A transpose plus B transpose. We give both sides transpose, A transpose and B transpose. And then next, A into B all dash equal to, we can write B dash A dash. Then in the case of multiplication, A, B all dash become B dash A dash, just reverse. We are written here A first, but in right side we will write B only first. Keep in mind in the case of only multiplication. Okay. Then other things same. These are the 4 properties of transpose. Now symmetric matrix. We can see one example in textbook. They are given already one example, that we can see. Root 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, 3, minus 1. Take transpose of this matrix, A transpose, then make it first row as first column. First root 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. First row make it as first column. Then second row is second row. 2 minus 1.5, then minus 1. The next third row is make it as third column. Now check it, both matrix. Root 3, 2, 3. Root 3, 2, 3. 2 minus 1.5, minus 1. 2 minus 1.5, minus 1. 3 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 1. Both equal, isn't it? Then A and A transpose equal in this matrix, isn't it? That means we can say this A is a symmetric matrix. Then if you take transpose of A, you will get same A. That means A and A dash, A transpose equal, isn't it? That's why we can say this matrix is a symmetric matrix. Okay. Then next, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, we can take one example from textbook, that is skew symmetric. Through that example we can study. B equal to 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. This is not O, that is all 0 only. Then take transpose. B transpose we can write. First row make as first column 0 E F, 0 E F. And then second row make as second column minus E 0 G, minus E 0 G. Then third row make as third column minus F minus G, minus F minus G 0. Then from here, from this matrix I am going to take one minus outside. Minus outside. Okay. 0, right? 0 have no sign. If you are taking minus outside also, no difference, isn't it? Then E, this minus already I took outside. Then in here also F, this minus also I took outside. Then in here E become minus E. 0 is 0. Minus G become G. F become minus F. G means minus G, then 0. Equal to minus. What is this? 0 E F, 0 E F, then minus E, 0 G, minus E, 0 G, then minus F, minus G, 0. Minus F minus G 0. That is B only, isn't it? It's matrix only, isn't it? That means we can write B transpose equal to minus B. Otherwise, same thing we can write B equal to minus B transpose. B equal to minus B transpose. That time, this B is known as skewed symmetric. If any matrix satisfies this condition, B equal to minus B transpose, if you will get, this matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Keep in mind, this is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Okay. Then next, B means minus B transpose. This is skew symmetric. B equal to minus B transpose. This is skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now we can see theorem number 1. For any matrix A means one matrix with a real number entries, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Okay, if you take A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, we can see proof that B equal to A plus A transpose. This A plus A transpose I just took, that is B. Okay. And then find out B dash. B dash equal to, we can write, if I am giving here dash means right side also you have to give dash, isn't it? That means transpose. You can write A plus A dash all dash, isn't it? Both side I given transpose. Then transpose equal to this dash given side, directly we can give A dash all dash. And here also give it, then A dash plus 2 times. If you are taking transpose, you will get same. Now we have studied in property of transpose, isn't it? That is, I think, first property, isn't it? A transpose, all transpose will get same A. Then equal to, what is this? A transpose plus A. A transpose plus A is B. What is this? This is symmetric. That means B is a symmetric. What is the meaning means? They are given one matrix, just like 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, anything. One matrix they are given. We have to find out one symmetric matrix. How can find out? That time we will use A plus A transpose. That means 2, 1, 4, 3 plus A transpose. Make it this first row as column 2, 1, then 4, 3. What? 2 plus 2, 4. Then 1 plus 4, 5. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. This matrix 4, 5, 5, 6. This is a symmetric matrix. This answer is a symmetric matrix. We can see. Let's take is B. You think B. Then take B dash. B dash. Then first row make it first column 4, 5. Then 5, 6. Check it. These two equal or not? 4, 5, 5, 6. 4, 5, 5, 6. Both equal, isn't it? Then if in question they are given any matrix, if you want to make one symmetric matrix, we will use A plus A transpose. Just do it this one. Surely you will get one matrix answer, isn't it? This answer will be symmetric matrix. Then already we prove. Then this first part. Second part. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Second part we can see. Okay, prove. I am taking another. Let C. C equal to A minus A transpose. Take transpose, both sides. Given here transpose, in here also transpose. Then this dash given here, a dash, C dash equal to A dash minus A transpose, all transpose. 2 times we are taking means A will get equal to. From here take minus outside. Minus, what will get is minus A dash, this will be plus A. C dash minus, we can rearrange this one, A minus A dash. A right first, minus A dash right second. C dash equal to minus, what is this? A minus A dash. A minus A dash is C, isn't it? Take it. C dash equal to minus C. Otherwise we can write this minus right in here, minus C dash equal to C. What is this? This is the condition for skew symmetric, isn't it? We can write skew symmetric. This is the condition for skew symmetric. That means they are given any matrix. If you need find out one skew symmetric matrix, means just do it A minus A dash. Now we can see theorem number 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Then directly we can do one matrix A. We can express as this like, what is this? A plus A dash. This one is symmetric matrix. Already we have studied theorem number 1. Okay, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Then what is this? This is skew symmetric matrix. A minus A dash. That one also we have studied already. Okay. Now, this 1 by 2 given inside 1 by 2 A plus this 1 by 2 also given here 1 by 2 A dash plus give it 1 by 2 A minus 1 by 2 A dash. We can give like that because that K A dash we can write K. So like possible, isn't it? Property of transpose. Then in here, this 2. Got it? 1 by 2 A dash minus 1 by 2 A dash. That will be 0. Then remaining 1 by 2 A plus 1 by 2 A. 1 by 2 A, 1 by 2 A. So LCM, LCM is 2. Isn't it? Then A plus A. A plus A, 2A divided by 2. Got it? Same, isn't it? Then this matrix A we can represent the sum of one symmetric matrix and one skew symmetric matrix. That is theorem. Okay. One thing you have to understand, any matrix we cannot do. Only we can do square matrix. What is the reason means, if you are taking not square matrix, 2, 3, 4. Transpose of this matrix, you will get 2, 3, 4. How can I add? 2 plus 2. Then second row, first number. What is second row in here? Now second row, isn't it? If you are taking any matrix, you cannot do. Only we can do square matrix.